Are you tired of the same old food routine? Spending hundreds of dollars on groceries every single week just for it to end up as food waste? Well, say goodbye to those boring meals and hello to fantastic meal planning. You can apply this no matter what skill level of cooking you have and help you to save hundreds of dollars each and every month. So be sure you stick all the way to the end so you don't miss a single tip. Step number 1. Set your goals and determine your needs. Before diving into meal planning, take some time to determine your goals. Are you looking to lose weight, eat healthier, save money, or simply streamline your cooking process? Understanding your objectives will guide your meal planning decisions. Additionally, consider any dietary restrictions, food preferences, or even any meals that you wish to plan for, such as breakfast, lunch, dinner, as well as snacks. Next, plan your menu. Start by brainstorming meal ideas that align with your goals. Consider incorporating a variety of food groups to ensure balanced nutrition. Websites, cookbooks, as well as food blogs can serve great inspiration. Also, don't forget about Pinterest, YouTube, or any other resources you might have at your disposal. Aim for diversity and choose food recipes that excite you, whether it's a new recipe or a tried and true favorite. Once you have a group of recipes, organize them into weekly and monthly menus. Also, you can do it seasonally. Sometimes in the colder months, we like to eat more warm and soothing things, where in the warmer months, we like to eat lighter and cooler things. The pro tip, be sure your meals include a combination of proteins, carbohydrates, vegetables, as well as healthy fats to ensure proper nutrition for you and your family. Don't forget to add in some fruits as well wherever appropriate. But again, do what is best for you and your family along with your dietary needs. Before you create your grocery list, which we're going to talk about next, you're going to want to do this super important step of shopping your fridge, pantry, as well as freezer. Get a habit of wiping down your fridge before you meal plan. You might even want to do this step before you consider your recipes. This will make things super easy because you would have already seen what's in there. Keep in mind what you have in your fridge, pantry, as well as freezer, and use these items to inspire your meal plans. And in the supermarket, you'll just buy the couple of things that are missing. It's saving you hundreds of dollars every single month. Once you see what you have, jot those down and be sure to include recipes that feature these items. If you don't know where to start, a good resource is Supercook. You put everything you have in your home, pantry, fridge, freezer included, and it will generate thousands of recipes in order for you to create your perfect meal. You can also filter them based on dietary preferences as well as the amount of time you have to cook. So be sure to use this super awesome resource, and I will link it down below. This will not only save you a lot of money but also valuable time as well. Okay, now you can make your list. When you have the items in your fridge, pantry, and freezer, sit down and write a grocery list of things that are missing from your recipes. Only include the things that you don't have and your staples that you are running low on. If you choose, you can order these online to avoid temptation and wandering through the aisles thinking you're getting sales. Because actually, if you didn't really need it, you're not saving money, you're spending extra money. So, if you are able to buy it online, add the things to cart and pick it up at your convenience. If you pick it up instead of having them drop it off, it tends to be a little bit cheaper. Do consult your budget and see which one makes sense for you and your family to do. However, if you do have to go into the supermarket, I suggest that you list your grocery list by categories. Dairy, produce, carbs, protein, or any other categories that you may have. That way you reduce your time in the grocery. Just be sure to stick to your list and go through the supermarket in order and get out of there as soon as possible. The longer time we spend in the supermarket, the more money we spend. So stay laser focused, get in and out, and go on your way. Next, shop smartly. Be sure to not only stick to your list and go in order around the supermarket, but before you go even to the supermarket, if you're going, be mindful of any sales that are pertaining specifically the items that you already intend to buy. Whether it's a digital coupon or a physical clipped coupon, be sure to have this ready at your disposal when it comes time to pay. Also, if you're already going into the supermarket, maybe consider going to a few supermarkets. As long as they're close to one another, it can help you save a lot of money. In addition to, be sure you're selecting seasonal fruits. This will also help save a lot of money. Also, frozen fruits can help save some money as well. Be sure not to select supermarkets that are too far from one another, because if you're a mom of littles like me, you're going to have to take your children in and out the car more often and maybe make some pit stops to use the potty. In addition, you're actually spending more money on gas. So do what you can, but mind your finances, avoid impulse buying, and if you have the space, try to consider buying non-perishables in bulks or an item that your family might use a lot, so that way you can save even more money and getting value out of this video so far. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share with your loved ones. Also, if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a single one of this video. To make mealtime a breeze, choose the grocery day to set up some preparations in advance. Wash your produce, cut them up, separate your meats if you use them, and put them away neatly in the freezer in separate sections to make your life easier throughout the week. Whatever you need to prep it now. Take 15 to 30 minutes to do the most that you can. As mom of littles, we might have a lot to do, so don't feel bad if you can't get to it all. Do the most important things first, and if you have more time, then use it, because at the end of the day, this will make your whole entire week super easy and seamless when it comes to meals. Also, be sure to have a designated snack area so that your family may be able to choose snacks at their convenience. Be sure to have fruits washed and ready front and center. Making healthier options super easy is a surefire way to make sure our family's nutritional needs are being met. If you do this when things get hectic throughout the week, it'll be so easy to just grab and go the items as needed. Next, be sure to stay flexible and embrace variety. Although meal plan provides structure to your life, sometimes things happen. Just be sure to go with the flow and readjust as needed. Be sure to use those staple items when needed and have a few quick go-to meals whenever life happens, because life is gonna happen. Also, embrace the flexibility of your meal plan. If you want to switch things around throughout the week, feel free to do so. You might wake up on Monday and decide you didn't want a fruit and yogurt parfait. After all, maybe you now want a breakfast tortilla, and that's okay. You can do that. You know why? Because you meal planned it. You have the ingredients for it. They're not gonna go bad. When I meal plan, I actually view my meal plan as a menu and choose from there on what it is that I feel like eating today. So do whatever works for you and make it fun. So now that you know how to meal plan, check out this video here to learn how to make the most out of your meals, and I'll see you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.